Some decisions aren't about career, they're about values. Meet Dr. Seema Hirji, a dermatologist and a cosmetologist. She could have stayed in Vancouver, but she came back because she had made a promise to her father and because she genuinely felt she owed something to her country.
मैंने डैडी को प्रॉमिस किया है। डैडी ने मुझसे कहा था कि तुम्हारे ऊपर एहसान है, मुल्क के लिए मुझे वापस जाना है।
And that's what hit me the most about her. Not just what she's built, but her resilience. Life happened, but she didn't stop.
ये हुआ कि मैंने कहा कि ये मेरा नेगेटिव तो है, लेकिन मैं अभी स्टॉप तो नहीं करना है मुझे अपनी लाइफ।
She talks about her father with so much depth that longing for one moment of being seen.
मैंने तो अभी कंप्लीट भी नहीं किया, डैडी ने मुझे देखा ही नहीं कि मैंने डॉक्टर बनी हूँ।
And she reminds you, excellence wasn't easy. Very few did postgraduate, and the bar was high.
I was amongst very few के जिन्होंने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, एंड बिकॉज माई हस्बैंड वॉज सो कोऑपरेटिव। सर का क्राइटेरिया बहुत हाई था।
But she also didn't do it alone. She shares the kind of support that's quiet but life-changing.
So my husband used to wait in the car but never complained. फिर next day morning फिर मैं आती थी, फिर मैं 36 hours के बाद जाती थी।
And then she says something every career woman will feel. Discrimination.
यहाँ तक के पूछते थे कि डॉक्टर सीमा है, तो कहा जाता था नहीं है। बट ये कि इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस मैं करती थी और कोई नहीं करता था।
Still, she shows what practical support looks like too. That is solution based.
तो इससे तुम चलो और कहेंगे कि भाई मुझे एक्सटर्नशिप करनी है आपके साथ।
Then she brings it to what she's seeing in young girls today. The pressure, the comparison.
काफी यंग गर्ल्स जो है ना वो obsess हो रही है with the models.
And I loved her clarity that her work is not copy-paste beauty. It's an artistic approach, keeping your identity intact.
I have an artistic approach also to one's face. It's not just about taking away the wrinkles.
She also warns us about a huge issue in our region, fairness creams, and the dangerous shortcuts behind instant glow.
ये जो क्रीम्स जो वाइटनेस के फेयरनेस के क्रीम्स होते हैं उसमें स्टीरॉइड्स होते हैं, तो उस वक्त तो बहुत वाइट स्किन हो जाती है, फ्लॉलेस हो जाती है।
And honestly, listening to her, I caught myself saying it out loud.
Dr. Seema, it's been a very inspiring journey.
Because this episode isn't just about skin. It's about self-worth, about not stopping when life happens, and choosing what's safe, what's real, and what still feels like you. Let's dive in.